Guys, welcome to Sabonzy Academy. So in this video, we'll be solving the question 5 of the 2019 Nov-Dec core mass theory questions. Question 5a. In the diagram, PQR is a tangent to the circle at Q. Angle NQR is equal to 58 degrees and angle MNQ is equal to 46 degrees. Find angle MQN. So let's say angle MQN is B. This is B and this is A. Now we know that A is equal to angle MNQ. Since the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So this is the angle between a tangent and a chord. It's equal to angle in its alternate segment. And its alternate segment is this angle. So this angle and this angle are alternating. So we can say that our A is equal to 46 degrees. But then we know that A plus B plus 58 is equal to 180, since the sum of all angles on a straight line add up to 180. So we can say that 46 plus B plus 58 should be equal to 180. Now 46 plus 58, we have 104. So B plus 104 degrees should be equal to 180. Now when we make B the subject, B will be equal to 180 minus 1 over 4 degrees. Now when we subtract 104 from 180, we should have 76 degrees. So B will be equal to 76 degrees. Now we know that our B is equal to the angle MQN. And so angle MQN should be equal to 76 degrees. This brings us to the end of question 5a. Now moving on to question 5b. Given that M23 and N47 are 2 points in the OXY plane, find the length of MN. So we have our M, which is 23, and our N, which is 47. So we know that this will be our X1, this will be our Y1, this will be our X2, and 7 will be our Y2. Finding the length of MN, given its coordinates, we have square root of X2 minus X1 all squared plus Y2 minus Y1 all squared. So this will be the square root of our X2 is 4. So our X2 is 4. So we have 4 minus 2 all squared plus 7 minus 3 all squared. This should be equal to the square root of 2 squared plus 4 squared. So we have square root of, so 2 squared is 4 plus 4 squared is 16. This gives us square root of 20. Square root of 20 is the same as square root of 4 times 5. So this is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 5. Now the square root of 4 is 2. So this will give us 2 root of 5 units. So the length of MN is equal to 2 root 5 units. This brings us to the end of question 5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section.